Alright guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to do part 2 pretty much of the first tutorial where I went over the base ciphers. I have 4 more ciphers that I'm going to present, and these ciphers are a little bit different than the base ciphers, but they're still important because you can get a lot of connections from these ciphers as well. So first I have the Sumerian cipher I want to go over, and the Sumerian cipher is just like the English ordinal cipher, where A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, so on and so forth to Z26. But in this cipher, we're multiplying each number by 6. So since A is the first letter, you multiply it by 6 and you're going to get 6. B is the second letter, you multiply it by 6, you're going to get 12. C, 3 times 6 is 18. And then all the way to Z, where 26 times 6 is 156. As you can see, Sumerian cipher, letter Z is 156. And then A, 6. Just for, let's say J, 60. And J is the 10th letter, multiply it by 6, you get 60. Now, the reverse Sumerian is the same exact thing as the reverse English ordinal, just multiplied by 6. So now Z will be 6, since Z is the last letter of the alphabet, but in reverse it's going to be the first, and then A is going to be the 26. So in this cipher, A would have the value of 156, see right there. Z has the value of 6. J will be 102, and then Q will be the 10th letter in this reverse, so it will be 60. Now we're going to go over the standard. Standard has the same value in the first 10 letters, just like the English ordinal, where A is 1, all the way to J is 10, but after J we're adding 10 more to each letter. So K would be 20, and then just for example, O would be 60, all the way until we get to S, which is going to be 100. So we have that 10, since it's the 10th letter, 11th letter is going to be 20, all the way to S. And then once we get to S, we're going to start adding by 100. So now, instead of it being 110, T would be 200. Then U would be 300. All the way to Z, and Z has a value of 800. And then for Latin cipher, some of the letters are swapped around. So for example, J is down here now. Z isn't the last letter. In this cipher, W is the last letter, and it has the highest value of 900. It's just a different way of calculating. The letters, they're swapped around, they have different value, but regardless, it's still the same thing as the standard, where when we get to the 10th letter, in this case it will be K, but now we're going to add 10, so L would be 20, N would be 30, N would be 40, all the way until you get to T. The T will be 100, and then you add 100 for the rest of the alphabet. So now you have 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and then the last one right here is actually a 200 difference. So V would be 700 in this cipher, and then W is 900. Now if I type the word the, just for example, right, we get 113, T is 100, and then H is 8, E is 5, compared to the ordinal cipher, it will be 33, because remember, ordinal cipher is just the regular alphabet. Then compared to this one where we have the numbers switched around. But that's pretty much it for this one. I will upload another video in the future with more ciphers that are important. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.